Hi, this is Nitin Chandra. In this video, I will show you how to create CSS3 border radius. Border radius were hard before. CSS3 has made our life easy by providing CSS3 border radius option. So let's get started. Google saying border radius generator and click on the first link which is saying borderradius.com, CSS border radius generator from borderradius.com. Once you click on it, you will be landed to borderradius.com. Yeah, you can see four corners of the square. You want to apply a border radius of 15 pixels to all the four corners. Just say 15. You'll get a code saying, like, you can see the preview also say all the four corners of a square has become 15 pixels of corner radius. We'll copy this code. I've created a border radius can be applied to div tags, images, buttons, etc. I've created a class called square where I've created a height and width of 300 pixels and a background and added a background color to that. You can see the preview here. Okay, so the square is having all four corners sharp edges. We'll make it as border radius of 15 pixels. I'll create a class saying normal radius. Add a dot over here. Okay. I'll paste the code which we copied from borderradius.com. Okay. So we'll apply this class to upper square saying normal radius. Okay. We'll preview this in Chrome. See, all the sharp edges have become rounded corners of 15 pixels. To explain over border radius, we have three lines of code where one is for WebKit which applies for Safari, Chrome, Opera, and there is another called Moz for Mozilla Firefox and border radius for i9, i10 and i11. Border radius compatibility. Border radius compatible come with IE9 Plus and Chrome, Firefox, Opera and Safari. Border radius won't be working with IE8. Okay, so what else we can demonstrate in this thing? Okay, we need a border radius of 50 pixels for upper corners of the square, but the lower corners should be the sharp edges. How do we make this? We'll make this. We'll change this to 50 pixels. All the four corners became 50 pixels border radius. We'll change the lower corners to 0. That's it. We'll copy this code. We'll create a class in master.css saying upper corners. We'll save this document. We'll call the same class over here, upper corners. We'll save this. We'll preview this. That's it. The upper corners have become 50 pixels radius and the lower corners are sharp edges. Okay, what else we can do? Circle or using border radius. We'll do that. We'll create a class called circle. I'll copy paste the same code here, but this is having 15 pixels as border radius. To make it circle, we'll change to 100%. 100%. 100%. Okay, we'll call the class circle over here. Circle. Save this. We'll preview this. Yeah, that's it. See, we can make a square div into circle, square image into circle. Yeah, I have applied the same similar way in my portfolio. You can see over that one. Yeah. My image is like a this image. When you inspect the image, you can see it's a square image. I've made it a circle image by adding a border radius of 100%. That's it. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel. To know more about me, visit www.nitinchandrasa.com. Thank you.